Today we are preparing Mellawi, a delicious Moroccan breakfast bread. Check out the Msemmen video on how to prepare the dough. Once you reach the step of creating the dough balls, place the dough balls in a plate, lightly brush them with vegetable oil, and cover them with a clean cloth. Brush your work surface with vegetable oil. Take a dough ball and flatten it with the palm of your hand. Using your fingers, gently push the edges of the dough to expand it into a very thin disc of dough. The dough is almost transparent at this point and you can somewhat see your work surface through it. Add a little bit of melted butter on the dough and spread it evenly with your hands. Sprinkle a little bit of fino or semolina all over the dough. Fold the upper edge to align with the lower edge. Add a bit of melted butter on top and sprinkle with semolina. Now take an edge of the dough and fold a circle like a fan or an accordion. Brush the surface of the strip with melted butter. Flatten the dough strip to remove any air bubbles and roll it up like a rug into a coil. Pinch the loose end of the dough on the edges of the coil to seal it. Place all the coils in a plate, stand them upright, cover with a clean cloth and let them rest for 15 minutes. Take one of the coils upright, oil your workstation, and flatten evenly from the center outward into a circle about 1 millimeter thick. Transfer to a heated pan and cook on medium-high heat, both sides for a few minutes each, turning it over several times until each side has a golden brown color and the center of the Mellawi is cooked. Once the Mellawi is done, remove from the pan and push the edges towards the center to fluff it up. Serve the Mellawi immediately with honey, cheese, or any other toppings of your choice. Bon appétit!